At DUBO Roofing, we complete hundreds of projects every year. We're often asked what happens during a roof replacement. We have created this short video to help our customers better understand the process. One of the first things we do is begin protecting your property. We cover the AC units with a breathable cover, and we lay tarps over shrubs and plants to help catch debris. Once that's completed, the team members then begin setting up their safety lines and anchors. They remove the ridge in order to attach their safety anchors, as well as prepare for the material delivery. DUBO Roofing has teamed up with one of the largest material suppliers in the U.S., ABC Supply. ABC Supply makes great addition to the DUBO team. Once ABC arrives on site, they begin by roping off the area that they will be working in for everyone's safety. Once they're set up, they begin to lift the material to the roof. An ABC team member unloads the shingles and stacks them on the roof's ridgeline. All of the roofing materials are loaded and carefully placed on the roof. Once the supplies have been loaded on the roof, our dump trailer is moved into place. This is the trash receptacle that we will be using for the roof waste. It is usually placed in the driveway so it can be close to the building. DUBO team members will continue with the roof removal during this whole process. All of the old roofing material is removed and placed in our dump trailer. As the removal progresses, a team member begins installing nails into the wood decking to meet current codes. Next, they will install the underlayment to dry in the roof. DUBO uses only high-quality underlayments to help keep the home dry should Florida storms arrive while the work is underway. Once the dry-in is complete, we begin installing the new roof. DUBO uses the highest quality shingles on the market, manufactured by Certainty Roofing. DUBO Roofing is manufacturer certified and Select Shingle Master Installer. This means that you get the highest quality shingles installed by the highest qualified team members. 6 nails are used in each shingle. All flashings and penetrations are sealed with roofing cement. As it is installed, the beauty of a new roof begins to shine. At the conclusion of the installation, DUBO Roofing team members do a final cleanup. A magnet is repeatedly pulled around the yard to collect nails. It's hard work, but at the end, our customers are left with a beautiful new roof that is installed by the best roofing company in town, DUBO Roofing. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or need an estimate for your new roof, give us a call or click our Request a Quote button on our website.